Hey.
Alright, where the heck are we, Anthony? How did we get here? Why are we here, Anthony? Oh, I kind of thought that was standout. Yeah. Yeah, an FPC. FPC, first person ship. Bag. Some cookies. Cookies. Big fresh. Cookies from Subway. Yeah. Alright, so what should we do? Maybe we should play with these things. Oh no, they got mad at me. Okay. What do you want to discuss, Anthony?
Problems with America.
Oh, sorry, something popped up, so they might not have seen me do that. So.
I'm gonna record you. I'm gonna ask you 3 questions.
Alright.
Question 1: why do your eyes have baggy bags?
Because it's late at night and I'm not tired.
Alright. Second question: if you could
Get that
choose,
camera. I'm joking. I look.
if you want, who would you want to be president of the United States besides the ones running? Like, if you could pick anyone in the
Me.
No.
I'd make this world better. So vote for me now. No, this doesn't look like
Okay, third question: why is she really loud?
What?
Why is this lady really loud?
What thing? What thing really loud?
Her, why is she really loud? Moving everything.
She's not even talking. She's just a fat person.
Oh my god. She's
Oh my gosh, Anthony, something just caught my eye. The most amazing freaking thing in here. You ready? It's chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk is the most amazing freaking thing in here. Anthony, just in case you don't know how to throw away your trash, they show you. So you go like this, and you punch it open. Oh. Punch. Snap. Like this. Some paper that I don't really care about. I don't know if you guys can hear the music, but it's freaking amazing. What are you guys talking about?
Yeah, I'll get the cookies at the end. And you?
Do we get a cookie?
yes, we get a cookie.
Yeah, cookies. So, what should we do? I mean, there's not much to do in here.
I can imagine like a totally hip party going on in here, and like there'd be like boys over here. Morgan's talking to a stranger.
Stranger danger.
Morgan,
Oh crap.
Morgan's gonna get raped in the butt.
Stranger danger. Morgan. Stranger danger. Dude, the guy looked at me. The freaking guy looked at me. I'm really scared now. Oh crap. Bunny, don't mind. Why you got that smile on your face? That's being a little detective. Icy, come here. Isis, come here. What do you got there? Look, you're gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be a YouTube star. Look, Icy, look. You're gonna be a YouTube star, okay? Hey,
Jordan.
Say hi for the camera. Hi.
Hey, Jordan.
Yeah?
Can your jacket make an attack? Like do an attack?
Well, I mean, it can do zipper attacks. So, you know, I can make music.
Yeah, 'cause you saw that last night on Lemonade Mouth, and that makes it like a musical instrument now.
Well, I mean, I can't even zip it down now. Oh no, I can't get past. I can't get past this point.
Jordan, the creepy guy, he's paralyzing me.
Really? No, Anthony! Oh crap! You need. Dang it!
You dropped your iPod. There's actually a dent now, right here in the skin. A little tiny
I don't
dent.
see it. Let's look out the window.
And you see yourself.
I see a bush and a table.
So Jordan, my jacket can do this. You can go like this. If I find a perp or something, I just go like.
Oh, say teamwork. 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 Oh! Ow! I just hit right there on this. I was walking like this and I was like, boom. Oh, be careful.
Jordan, do you want a cookie?
Yes, please.
What kind?
What kind do they have?
They're right here, son.
Oh my god. It's
Today, you
steak.
only like one kind.
What the kind that I like?
Chocolate chip. Okay, get out of here. 2 chocolate chip, 1 sugar cookie.
What kind of person likes oatmeal raisin?
An oatmeal raisin, please.
Oh, really? I was like, what kind of person likes oatmeal raisin?
These chips
Oatmeal raisin.
and a drink. I guess 1 and a
It's a lot of things to get. It's a lot of things to choose.
Alright, how much do the cookies come for?
Did you say bird?
I said nerd. Gabby wanted to act like a bird.
Yeah, Gabby wanted to act like a bird.
Hold on, hold on.
I can fly.
I'm busy decking orders. Let me get, since I've ordered, let me get another oatmeal raisin and 1 more chocolate chip.
Show us some more dance moves.
No, that's
More. Do more. Do more. Oh, your stomach hurts now? Oh, Anthony. Ant. Subway. There goes another one of our fans, Anthony. And I just realized that this said Subway.
Subway.
I couldn't really
Yeah,
read
just in
it.
case some like if
Get back here. Oh, Anthony's dancing in front of the paparazzi. Dance, Icy, dance.
Be careful. Hold on, there's still room for some.
Squat thrust.
pastrami meat. Jordan, you need to get some of that pastrami meat.
Where is it?
Right there, pastrami meat. Yeah, like a box.
Alright, man. Take it easy. Have a good night. Well, then you have a good night.
It's just brother.
See you, kids. Bye. No, we will.
Have a great night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We don't ever let you guys just start going, especially a sub with all this stuff on it.
What?
Because the rocks up more than
Dad, who was that guy?
Huh?
Who was?
Grandpa Doug's nephew.
Oh, shiz! That's Grandpa Doug's nephew? Well, then I'm really, like, messed up in the head. You just done spurted your,
I just done spurting my drink, sir.
Alright, we're back in the car. Do you think we should end the video? Should we end the video, Aunt?
Who's a crazy maniac?
Okay.